So the first panel today will be moderated by Jeff Levi, who is the Executive Director at Trust for America's Health and a member of the Roundtable, and also, as I said before, a member of the Workshop Planning Committee.
Thank you, Allison. So I'm very excited about this panel because, as some of you know, I chair the Advisory Group on Prevention, Health Promotion, and Integrated and Public Health, which is advisory to the National Prevention Council. And the National Prevention Council has tried to focus, as has the advisory group, on this link between education and health. And we've actually spawned a collaborative on education and health. And Debbie mentioned that Rochelle Davis from the Healthy Schools Campaign and I co-chair, that is really trying to identify some very specific policy and programmatic pathways for bringing these two worlds together. And the panel we're about to hear from are people who actually are on the front lines doing that. So we're going to get a little bit from the research and broad policy issues and now really try to get to some of the practical issues. During the discussion, I hope we will be able to take from these presentations some lessons around how indeed we can create the policy levers, create the opportunities to empower people at the local level to do more work as they are doing. We're going to, you have bios for each of our speakers except Kelly Thompson can't be here today from Nemours. Instead, we have David Nichols, who is Program Manager for the Nemours Health Prevention Services. He is a retired educator, so he has a foot in both camps. And he will be joining Allison Girdle Rosenberg. But we're going to start with a presentation from Charles Bash, who is the Richard March Ho Professor of Health and Education at Teachers College of Columbia University. Charles.